Afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's stormy today in the Western Cape. Thunder showers over the west coast from early on already, drifting southwards to reach Cape Town during the course of this evening. But a bit of respite from the heavy rainfall that occurred in parts of the Eastern Cape. Some clearance is expected to take place overnight, while thunderstorms will continue to affect the central and eastern parts. Early tomorrow morning, we're still expecting thunder activity over the Eastern Free State, Northwest, even Gauteng and KZN. And then thunderstorms will develop with a vengeance over the central parts. Heavy downpours predicted, especially for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending down towards the Eastern Cape coastline, while showery conditions remain likely in the southwestern Cape. Let's take a look at a rainfall accumulation up till midnight tonight. More than 25 millimeters of rain predicted for the western half of the Western Cape and over a large area of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Heavy rain occurred overnight along the stretch of the Wild Coast between Port St. John's and Coffee Bay, with more than 100 millimeters reported in Port St. John's at 8 o'clock this morning and more than 200 millimeters reported in Coffee Bay. On top of that, there's more rain predicted for this section of the coastline. Our rainfall accumulation showing more than 50 millimeters could still occur there today. The South African Weather Service also issued a warning for heavy rain in this region, as well as over the western parts of the Western Cape, including the southern parts of the West Coast District. This could result in localized flooding. There's a watch for that over the Southern Cape and over a large part of the Eastern Cape and the western half of KwaZulu-Natal. There's also a possibility of severe thunderstorms, especially over the central parts of South Africa and on the highveld of Mpumalanga, with the possibility of large hail and damaging winds. Here's our rainfall outlook for the rest of today, with scattered to widespread thunder showers over a large part of the country, including the Western Cape. Some thunder showers for Cape Town tonight and isolated storms in northwest later on. Light winds over the eastern parts. It's breezy though in the Free State and the eastern half of the Northern Cape, with fresh northwesterlies, fresh southeasterlies across the rest of the province, and strong southeasterly winds in Cape Town. That's accompanied by a temperature of 27 degrees, but it's much cooler further east. Highs of 20 degrees in PE and George. Much warmer though in Gauteng, with a maximum of 30 in Pretoria. Overnight, temperatures remain high along the east coast. Minimums above 20 degrees for East London, Durban and Richards Bay. 18 for Cape Town. Cold though in Springbok with a low of 10. Sutherland dropping to a minimum of 10 degrees. It's certainly a wet start to the work week over much of South Africa. Showers still possible in Cape Town. Widespread thunder showers predicted for the Free State, Northern Cape and Eastern Cape. Wet conditions continue on Tuesday, but we're expecting a mostly dry day then for Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.